Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the third episode of the podcast Noorcast. In our previous episode, we explored how emotions can influence our decisions. Today, we're moving to the chapter 2 of The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene, which is Transform Self-Love into Empathy. Robert Greene argues that most people spend a great deal of time thinking about themselves, their problems, ambitions, fears, and desires. This self-focus is natural, but when it becomes excessive, it prevents us from truly understanding others. Robert Greene explains that empathy is one of the most powerful skills a person can develop. Empathy means putting yourself in someone else's position and trying to understand their feelings, motivation, and perspective. Why is this important? Because many conflicts, misunderstandings, and failed relationships happen when we assume that others think exactly as we do. In reality, every person has a unique story, different experiences, and different motivations. Robert Greene encourages us to become better observers. Instead of focusing only on what people say, we should pay attention to their emotions, body language, and actions. The more we understand others, the better we communicate, we cooperate, and build meaningful relationships. So, the key lesson of this chapter is simple. Move beyond self-absorption and develop genuine curiosity about other people. Empathy not only helps us understand others, it also helps us grow as a human being. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next chapter. Goodbye.